Hi everyone. Happy 18th birthday, Athena. This is Uncle Fons here in New York City. I wrote a message for you and I'm going to read it. On this special day, my heart swells with pride and joy as I watch you step into adulthood. You've dazzled us all with your intelligence, which shines brightly in everything you do. Your beauty is more than just outward. It's the kindness and naturalness that radiate from your every action, leaving a lasting impression on everyone fortunate enough to know you. As you embrace this new chapter, I wish for you to soar to an imaginable height of success. May your journey be filled with fulfilling adventures and countless opportunities that allow you to craft the life of your dreams. Cherish your health and nurture it as you continue to conquer the world. Your spirit is vibrant, and I pray it remains so. Always remember that you are deeply loved and supported. No matter the path you choose, your Uncle Fons will always be there to cheer you on and celebrate every milestone. Here's to a future as brilliant and beautiful as you are. Happy birthday, dear Athena. Much love, Uncle Fons.